How to earn money with micro workers. So basically just a beginner's guide. What you're gonna have to do first is go to your preferred browser and search for micro workers. Then go ahead and press on register. To register, you're gonna have to put in your email address, your full name, your actual address, and a few more other details. And it should be pretty much quick. All you have to do is verify that email and you would pretty much just have an account. So once you have an account, it's pretty user friendly. So earning money with micro workers is again beginner friendly since it focuses on the small online tasks that doesn't really require too much skill. So after you're done signing up, you can go ahead and take a look at the website's available jobs. So it's found down here, over here. Just go to the job section and then scroll down. So common jobs include data entry, app testing, even surveys, website signups, social media actions. But again, it pretty much depends on the details that you put into your account, since microworkers pretty much just bases on your own details, of course. So with that in mind, each payment or each task pays a small amount, but they're quick to complete. And you can choose tasks based on your country, device, or skill level. So always read the task first and instructions carefully, since incorrect submissions can be rejected and won't be paid. If you want to take a look at the success rate, it's right here beside the payment. So let's say this one over here, TTV G2 sign up plus honest feedback plus a screenshot. This has a success rate of 57%. So just go ahead and be careful with scams as well, since a task like this is pretty small and yet it gives you $5. It's pretty big, and that's probably why the success rate is low. So you have this one as well, search plus engage plus screenshot, and it has a success rate of 100%. So always put in mind that not all of them will work out. You have the time to rate and then time to finish in minutes, and this one is at days, and the done or the finished ones for the specific job. So to maximize earnings, you can focus on maintaining a high success rate, as requesters pretty much prefer workers with good accuracy. So you can start with simple tasks like paste messaging times 4 with a screenshot, or anyone or anything here that has a success rate of 100%. So payments are usually made via PayPal, Skrill, or other supported methods once you reach the minimum withdrawal amount. Since microworkers won't replace a full-time job, it's a legit way for beginners to earn extra money online during free time. So if you stay consistent and selective with tasks, you should be able to see a benefit with this, and of course an additional paycheck. But that's pretty much how you can use your microworkers to earn money. Just go ahead and sign up, log in, and enter one of these jobs, and just follow the instructions. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.